we're gonna learn how you can install the certificates for KSign application. Launch Safari and you're gonna reach to this website here, applejr.net. Make sure that you are inside the installer tab at the bottom and you'll find one section here, eSign, Scarlet, KSign, Certs. Tap on Certs. Now this website might load up ads. So if you get ads, you're gonna close the ad and come back this page once again. Now you've got some certificate files. You're gonna try any one. Let's download the top one. Download certificate. Now once the certificate is downloaded, go to files. Since the certificate is in zip form, we're gonna have to extract because you can't import the zip certificate to KSign. It's here. Just extract. It's here. Jiangsu Sims here. Now check the password here. Yes, this is the password, applejr.net. Done. Now we can import the mobile provision file and certificate. Go to KSign. Reach to the settings of KSign. Go to certificates. And we can import the certificate file, that is P12. This one. Now provisioning file, tap here. This one. Input the password. Once you input the password, tap on save. Thus, you have successfully imported the certificate and make sure to select this certificate here. So that's how you can get and install the certificate to KSign. Like this video and subscribe to this channel.